Greetings, everybody. So we're into this house here in Redford. It's a very strange looking house, but they want a couple dollars for it, maybe like whatever. But it's just so weird. I've never seen a house like this. The guys walked away from it. They didn't have enough money to finish the house. But it's pretty cool, to be in this part of this city. Houses sell pretty quickly over here. Gonna need some floors. You need a new kitchen. You need everything. House is kind of distressed. Has this back room right here, which we would cover it and make it a usable room. See my daughter here learning real estate. Yeah. So there's a lot of opportunities here in Detroit, in the metro Detroit area, with real estate for you and others to make some money. We're trying to make some money so we can improve the conditions of ourselves and our community. Here's the upper bedroom. Just want to take you guys on this journey with us. This is the upper bedroom. Again, the previous owners walked away from it because they ran out of money. So we're going to see if we can put it together and get us a happy family inside here, plus make some dollars for ourselves. This is the actual front door, which is really strange. I don't think I've ever seen it like that before. I wish we can close it off and just like make one door instead of three doors to come in the house. This is the basement. They got a bedroom down here in the basement. 2 different stairways to get upstairs. Furnace water heater here. Got another bathroom in the basement. They got ready to build the shower. Oh, this is it. They got ready to build the shower down here. It's a nice piece of work. You got to have a creative mind. And this is a room right here. Pretty cool house. Let me know what you think. And let's see. He was putting up some. He was doing a little bit of work in here. He was getting a little bit of work in here done. It's just a blessing, man. I waited a long time to do this, to make a difference in my community. And it is time to actually rock and roll. So hopefully you're inspired. Save your money up. Invest properly. Pay yourself. And don't live your life depending on a job and just your check to check. You can save up and invest your money so that you can build something for your future, for your children, for your community. I did this for a long time, but just like one house at a time. This is the first time I'm getting ready to go all in. So thank you for coming on my journey. And have a beautiful rest of your afternoon.